All the hair on the average person's head can lift 12 tons of weight. The lighter was invented before the match. You can draw a continuous line for 50 kilometers with a standard pencil. When you shuffle a deck of cards, the cards only appear in that order once. Not another time. That's what math and probabilities say. The total energy of batteries in the whole world can provide only 10 minutes of energy of the whole world. The average person spends 2 weeks of their life waiting at traffic lights. Salting pineapples actually makes them sweeter. And yes, pineapples grow in fields like this. 27,000 trees need to be cut down for 1 day's toilet paper need of the whole world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.